What's up, everybody? I'm at the KGB Survivalist Masтерская. Safety is number one priority. And today KGB Survivalist got me something awesome for 400,000 subscribers. So what you got me?
M18 smoke grenade.
Awesome! We're gonna test this smoke grenade. Do not try this at home. Well, you're not going to because you don't have one of this. It's a real military issue smoke grenade. Let's go test it out. Alright, here we go. We're gonna throw this grenade up. You guys got a thumbs up right now. Subscribe to KGB Survivalist. By the way, smells like matches. Just kidding, it's already done. But let me know what do you think comments below. This is actually pretty dangerous. So do not go get it in a surplus store and set it off. You might burn yourself. You wanna get full instruction how to use these ones. Because the smoke coming out of here is super hot.
This was done in a controlled environment and we had fire extinguishers on hand.
Exactly.
Do not do this in a dry field or the woods.
Exactly, because you might gonna get on fire. Subscribe to KGB Survivalist. He gave me one of these. How amazing is that? It was awesome. And as always, check out my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Links in the description. And I'll see you next time. And today I'm gonna show you how to make brownie in a cup. For this experiment we're going to need measurement cup, olive oil, flour, sugar, 100% cocoa, pure spring water, some salt, and a tablespoon. Optional items, ice cream and caramel.